This is how to factory reset or hard reset. This is the LG Stylo 5. That's what it looks like. Let's get started. We're going to hold volume down and power at the exact same time. When the LG logo comes on, I'm going to take my finger off and then immediately put my finger back on power. Let's get started. Volume down, power, keep holding, let go, push again. And I never let go of the volume side. It just keep holding, and that brings up the factory data reset screen. Now with volume, I'm going to scroll to yes. I want to delete all user data, reset all settings, and I'm going to push OK with power. And then once again, they want us to confirm. I'm going to use volume keys, select yes, push OK with power. You only have to push one time. It takes about 5 seconds for it to start the erasing process. And then the erasing screen will come up. And depending on your device, it may take anywhere from a few seconds like here, or it could take a minute or two. But that is how you factory reset, hard reset the LG Stylo 5. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.